Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change language and location in Brawl Stars application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars application on your mobile device and then from the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on the 3 menu button at the top right corner. Now, click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on the Language option. From the list of languages available, select a new language of your preference. Click on OK, and this will restart the game in your chosen language. Now, you can repeat this step for every other language change you would like to make. Changing language can help you understand in-game text better, especially if you're learning a new language or want to play in your native tongue. Now, if you want to change location in Brawl Stars, the process is much more easier. From the home page of Brawl Stars, tap on the menu button at the top right and click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap the Location option and choose a different location from the menu. After selecting a new location, click on Confirm. Remember that location can only be changed for a certain period of time. After you change a location, you can try again in 1 hour 51 minutes, not before that. Keep in mind that changing your region might affect your matchmaking and latency. So that's how you can easily change language and location in Brawl Stars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.